Hey, what's up, YouTube? So I'm about to turn on the mini bike. Haven't turned it on in a while after all these upgrades. Kind of nervous. Feel like something might go wrong. That's why I'm putting this video. We'll see. Put you guys right here. Oh, wait, hold on. Put you right here. Oh no, I told you something was gonna go wrong. Oh man. Hold on, something's wrong here with this throttle. This thing started climbing the stairs. Oh no. This thing started going crazy on me. Had to unplug the spark plug real quick. Wow. Definitely more power, tell you that. Loosen that up. I'm gonna have to recheck the throttle on this thing. Make sure it's not all the way. Turn that on again. Let's try this one more time. You guys from a different angle. So you can see the madness. Come on. I'm scared of this thing now. Now I'm definitely scared of it. Hold on. I need to make sure my throttle is not stuck, so I might have to take off the filter. I feel like this thing, I'm gonna jump on it and it's gonna just take off on me and I have to just abort mission. Hit the eject button right here, which pops the seat up that way. I'll be good. A-okay. I'm gonna have to redo this whole throttle situation if this is the case. Can't have this happening. All right, everyone, so we're back. Adjusted the throttle. Let's see, hopefully it doesn't take off on me again. to get a flat side carburetor. Let it warm up. Yeah. Yeah, I'm loving this shit. Woo. Okay, I gotta tighten up gotta tighten up these nuts. Adjust the carb. Might actually order another carb right now. Oh man, this thing's running good. Love it, guys. This thing is nice. So once it warms up, it'll be all right. Once I take it out, let it warm up, take a couple rides, it'll stay on. But this thing is a monster. Scary. Thank you, Fat Buddy Cat. Hooked me up with that sprocket. So this got the 265 cam, the bullet rod piston, but you know, all that racing piston, flat piston, the aluminum rockers. I think 26-pound springs. The flywheel, all that good stuff. Yeah, man. You see the Tan Boys Custom. We got the go-kart gone fishing over here, and we got Eleanor Rise, the new Torquezilla from OMB Warehouse. See that? This thing is nice, man. You already know. Sam's Garage shirt. Yeah, I'm gonna just take it out. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. We will take out this bike to the next video.